Today, I am beyond excited to share an incredible opportunity with you all. In this video, we'll be unveiling the secrets to making an astounding $30,000 a week. Yes, you heard that right, $30,000 every single week. So buckle up and get ready to embark on this life-changing journey. Let's get started. 1. Start a trendy e-commerce brand. Having the right product or a viral idea can lead to an incredible amount of money being made within a very short time frame. Successful sellers often achieve this by capitalizing on trending topics and selling viral designs or merchandise. Many choose platforms like Etsy Print on Demand, as it eliminates the need to handle manufacturing or shipping themselves. Siegs, an experienced clothing seller, had an advantage with an existing audience to market to. However, the potential of a viral idea remains undeniable. Numerous individuals earn money by selling memes and leveraging recent pop culture references to drive rapid sales. For those familiar with running paid ads for their store or purchasing shout-outs on social media, creating buzz for new designs becomes feasible, enabling a swift boost in sales and visibility. 2. Borrow the money. If you're still searching for ways to quickly make $30,000, one option is to consider borrowing the money. Some individuals may turn to friends and family for such financial assistance. Although $30,000 is a substantial amount, it's crucial to weigh your comfort level with this approach before proceeding. Another avenue is approaching your bank for a loan. Alternatively, you can explore cash advance apps like Dave or utilize services from companies like Zippy Loan to access swift funds. However, I personally prefer the idea of initiating new side hustles instead of taking on debt through borrowing. By starting side businesses, you can avoid the burden of loans and work towards earning the money you need independently. 3. Freelancing online. Freelancing online presents a practical opportunity to swiftly earn $30,000 while maintaining your regular job. Over the past few years, freelance writing has been a significant source of income for many individuals. Some even made as much money from freelancing as they did from their day jobs before transitioning into full-time writing. In essence, taking on freelance work on the side can effectively double your earnings, especially if you manage to secure high-paying clients. Depending on your rates, it's entirely possible to earn an extra $30,000 within a few months, which is a relatively fast achievement. Numerous industries offer opportunities to sell your skills as a freelancer, including accounting, graphic design, digital marketing, video editor, social media management, website design, and virtual assistant work. These fields can provide lucrative gigs that contribute to your financial goals. There are plenty of other remote job websites you can use. You can also start out with beginner-friendly Upwork, Embark, or Fiverr gigs to build your portfolio. 4. Sell off your assets. Liquidating your assets is one of the most direct methods to quickly make $30,000. Although this path can be challenging as it involves parting with your belongings, it can be the best option when you urgently need cash. You can consider selling items like high-end apparel, accessories, jewelry such as diamonds, wedding rings, or luxury watches, which can be safely sold on platforms like Worthy. Additionally, precious metals, vehicles, antiques, and collectibles like coins, sports cards, or rare collector items like Beanie Babies can fetch a good price. Starting with online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace is a great way to begin the selling process. Alternatively, you can explore local options such as hosting a garage sale or visiting pawn shops. Keep in mind that amassing $30,000 through this method may require parting with several valuable items, but it is likely one of the fastest ways to achieve your financial goal. And number 5. Flip an online business. If you are seeking an online entrepreneurial venture to earn money and achieve a fast $30,000, consider flipping an online business. Flipping online businesses can be a lucrative option due to the excellent margins they offer during evaluation. For instance, blogs can typically be sold for 30x to 40x their monthly profit, depending on factors like traffic growth, niche, and seasonality. One approach is to purchase a starter site for marketplaces, like Flipit, that is out of the Google sandbox. With a few months of dedicated content creation and monetization through media buying or affiliate links, you can raise the site's profit to $5,000 per month. If the site gains organic traffic and is reputable without any questionable practices, you can then flip it for around $30,000. Prior experience in running an online business might be beneficial, but this idea is quite feasible, and some individuals make a living by flipping websites for fast cash. Alternatively, you can focus on growing the blog into a substantial income source that generates $30,000 or more per month. Blogs like This Online World have managed to make impressive earnings, showcasing that blogging income can reach significant heights. Indeed, the potential for blogging income can be limitless, making it a compelling option for those willing to put in the effort and dedication. Reaching such a significant milestone may take months or even a year, but that's completely normal and all right. Side hustles require time and dedication to succeed, but perseverance pays off. If you stay committed and put in the effort, you'll be astonished by how much you can increase your income over time. Remember, it's essential to stay focused on your objectives and keep pushing forward, as the rewards will be worth the hard work. Whatever your goal is, $30,000 is a lot of money. It's not the sort of cash you can just make overnight most of the time. However, through various digital side hustles, cash gigs, and flipping ideas, you can make a lot of money quickly if you know what you're doing. Some of these ideas are from my own personal experience, while others are from other successful side hustles and flippers.